So what do you love about America?
Freedom.
What I love about America is that when I went to the Marine Corps, I have Brady, who's Dominican, who grew up in New Jersey. I have Rudy, who grew up in New York and he's Puerto Rican, and O'Brien, who's from Tarkiston, Texas. But then we all become best friends, and that is the most American thing you can do.
Nothing, can stop us. We can make it happen. We can find a way. You can put us between a rock and a hard place. We're gonna figure something out. That's my bloodstream. That's my heritage as an American.
So I am in the Special Forces for the Army. I love everything about it. The guys that I work with are the fucking best of the best. They're unbelievable. I love the freedom that we have as Americans. A lot of people take that for granted, like big time.
I serve in the military because I want to keep what we have, and I want to share what we have. Our guys that go overseas, I hear stories all the time of how they get to share who we are with the people that we interact with, and it's amazing. The stories are amazing. Unfortunately, not all those stories get told as much as they could or should.
I was 19 years old the first time I was in Afghanistan. People have no clue how good we have it here. No clue.
Then I talked to Navy and I was like, yep, that's what I want to do. I definitely do feel like I lift people's spirits up, but it's also helped because when I have those moments of weakness and when I'm not as strong as I want to be, then those people are there for me. They know okay, she's really not okay, so we need to be there for her.
That freedom is also what, allows people to have a complete and utter, disagreement with everything that I believe in, and I don't care, because that's what I fought for. What he sees and what I see are completely different. So I'm not gonna let his actions affect me. It's his choice. It's what we fight for.
America, the definition of America is freedom, and that's what I fight for, and that's what I believe in.